Side brush motor. To remove the side brush motor, you need to do as the following steps. Face the bottom cover, remove all the screws on it. Remove the bumper, cover and side brush. Pull out the according connecting terminal on the main board and remove the cable. Remove the micro-touch switch. While removing the screws off the switch, press the switch lightly in case the spring in it bounces out. How to put it back? Put back the side brush motor and tighten the screws. Follow the cables and put the cable off the brush motor back. Install the micro-touch switch. Press the spring and put it in the film. Keep pressing until you put the terminals into the groove. Put back the cover. Do not pull down the black. Transparent slice. Put back the bumper and all the screws. The 2 long screws and the 2 jaw columns are for the front of the bottom side. The rest of the screws are the same. Finally, do not forget to check if the bumper can spring back smoothly.